This is war against an invisible enemy. The coronavirus or COVID-19. Like any war, you will be needing weapons. First, you will need to boost your immune system with vitamin C, Colvit C, and Daily C capsules, as well as vitamin D, Fern D, vitamin D supplements. Second, you will also need to maintain your good health. Santi barley juice and Buamera juice will ensure that. Lastly, and certainly not the least, you will need to stay sanitary. Wash your hands and keep them sanitary by using Beautyline hand sanitizer with moisturizer. You will find all the weapons you need for this war in this antiviral kit for only 67 pesos a day for a month. Only available at organics.com. Send a message now at m.me/organics.